Abanzi, Kosi Mandela, the police. Commissars and my chairperson of the Russian Yoga, chairperson of the committee. My name is Julius Meli Zuli. I'm from Ward 55. Emtala, Mavimela, Hoba, Sali, Gema, Kadebe section, where our parents, that's Satana Nabazali, Emarumini, Satana Nabu Auntie, Nabu Mamtane, Nabu Malume, they are called bedroom dwellers because of this issue. You know, I want to start by making my submission before I make a comment. My submission on this amendment of the bill will be that remove section 3 and replace it with the state should be a custodian of South African natural resources inclusive of land, mineral resources, water, and relevant legislation should relevant legislation should be passed to clearly define the contextualization of state custodianship and natural resources. I'm starting to begin with mhlawumbe labelungu niyabasukela yini elakhetha leadership elingafuni ukuthi umhlaba ubuye sekuyakwesi 2 manje la sikhuluma into e1 saya ngasevana sakhuluma into e1 we won't change our mind, we want our land back. I'm beginning to think that there in parliament leaders that are elected, you don't want us as people to get our land back. If you have noticed here, we agreed as political parties, as people on the ground, that we need our land back. There was a motion here in Eguruleni that went to you there as parliament, Libami, of land expropriation without compensation. We agreed, all of us here as parties, except those TA ones. But we agreed here that we need our land back, especially like Eguruleni. I'm not sure. We are beginning. The feeling is that in the parliament, but let me caution you that MAS we are playing. There's no amount of blood that can finish us. So Jamba says that you kindly bring our land back. Go and take the president. Go and convince whoever needs to convince. We don't need to tell you what you want to do out our land. Go there and just amend section 25 so that because we are under democracy, we agree that our land must come back. Jamba say yes, done. Professor Charanapa, thank you very much.